Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Children, in previous class, what we have learned in EVS? We have learned 6 bits. We have written all the 6 bits in our one part. Did you all remember that? So, multiple choice we have learned, no? Shall I ask you questions now? Did you all learn this? Yes? Isn't it? So, first one, what helps us to say whether people look similar or not? What helps us to say whether people can look similar or not? Answer. Out of 4 options. Shoes, books, clothes, features. What is the answer? Features. What is the answer? Features. F-E-A-T-U-R-E-S. Okay. Second one. From whom do we get our features? From whom do we get our features? We get features from our father, mother, grandparents. All of them is the answer. What is the answer? All of them. Okay? Did you all remember? Now, coming to fill in the blanks. See your books, fill in the blanks. Okay. A dash is a look or action of a person. A dash is a look or action of a person. Of brackets, what is the answer? Family or features? What is the correct answer? Features. Okay? You have to first tick that which one is the answer and then you have to write down the answer in the blank. Okay children, is it clear? So, you have to write down feature as the answer. Okay? So, you have to say a feature is a look or action of a person. Okay? Next, second one. Dash mostly have similar features. Dash mostly have similar features. Who will have same to same features? Exactly same to same. Not exactly, maybe similar features. Who are those? Siblings or friends? Say friends or siblings. Friends will have similar features? No, not at all. But who will have siblings? Okay, brother and sister. Okay, isn't it? Or brother and brother. Or sister and sister. Okay, siblings. S-I-B-L-I-N-G-S. Okay, out of the brackets you have to write correct answer. Okay, next one. Write the given letters in the correct order to make word. Okay, what is that? There, T, R, E, F, A, E, U. What is the correct answer? The letters are jumbled there. What is the correct answer? You have to make correct word. F-E-A-T-U-R-E, feature. Okay children? Next one. B-O-T-R-E-R-H. What is the answer? Word. What is the word there? Correct word. B-R-O-T-H-E-R. B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Got it? So, again, what helps us to say whether people look similar or not? Feature. From whom do we get our features? All of them. A dash is a look or action of a person. A feature is a look or action of a person. Dash mostly have similar features. Siblings mostly have similar features. Next. T-R-E-F-A-E-U. F-E-A-T-U-R-E. Feature. B-O-T-R-E-R-H. B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Brother. Got it children? Up till here you are thorough now? Okay? Next, 7th question. See your 7th question in your workbooks. 7th one. How many of you can answer? I think all of you can answer, those who are daily seeing videos. Isn't it? Everybody, those who are attentive, definitely will give the answers. Yes? See there. 2 pictures are there. First picture what? First picture what? Their hair is similar. Their hair is similar. Okay. Next one, B picture what? Their smile is similar. Their smile is similar. Okay, understood everybody? So, next, eighth means understanding. We are going to understanding part. Okay, true or false. I'll ask you questions first. Afterwards, you can write down the answers. Okay, first one. Some children may look like their grandparents. Some children may look like their grandparents. True or false? True, isn't it? Yes. Uncles and aunts are not a part of our family. Uncles and aunts are not a part of our family. False. Because they are also a part of our family, no? Yes. Write down false. Next. Your cousins and you share the same grandparents. Your cousins means your uncle's children. Okay? Your cousins and your cousins and you share share the same grandparents. Share the same grandparents. Yours grandparents and their grandparents same. Is it correct or wrong? Your cousins and yours? True only. Yes or no? Same grandparents. Isn't it? They are parents of our parents, no? Yes? So, next. We cannot look similar to our cousins. Do we cannot look to our cousins? No, it's wrong. So false. We will look like our cousins only. We will look like our cousins only. Write down false. Okay, next. Short answer. 12th one I will say. Whom can a child look like in a family? Short answer. How many of you can answer this question? Whom can a child look like in a family? How many of you can answer? Everybody can answer, isn't it? How you can answer? You can answer. In a family, a child can look like a father, mother, uncle, aunt and grandparent. Understood? So, you can write down the answers from the board. Okay? First answer, T-H-E-I-R, they. Say, all of you say, read and write. Okay? T-H-E-I-R, they. H-A-I-R, hey. Their hair is, I-S is. Similar, S-I-M-I-L-A-R, similar. Okay? Next one, T-H-E-I-R, they. S-M-I-L-E, smile. I-S is. S-I-M-I-L-A-R, similar. Their smile is similar. Okay, B. Next, understanding part I told you, no? T-R-U-E, true. F-A-L-S-E, false. T-R-U-E, true. F-A-L-S-E, false. All of you write down 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th please. And short answer, I-N, in a family. F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. A child. C-H-I-L-D, child. Can, C-A-N, can. L-O-O-K, look. S-I-M-I-L-A-R, similar. To, T-O-2. H-I-S, his or. H-E-R, her, his or her. Parents, P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents. Grandparents, G-R-A-N-D, grand. P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents, grandparents. Uncles, U-N-C-L-E-S, uncles. And A-N-D, and aunts, A-U-N-T-S, uncles and aunts. Okay? In a family, a child can look similar to his or her parents, grandparents, uncles and aunts. Okay? Now complete it within 2 minutes. Okay? Neat handwriting should be there in your workbooks. Okay? Complete. Okay, children, now keep your fingers and all of you read in your workbook part. All of you keep your fingers in your workbook. 7th question. Okay? Keep your finger. Look. L-O-O-K. Look. A-T at. T-H-E the. Look at the pictures. P-I-C-T-U-R-E-S. Pictures given below. G-I-V-E-N. Given. B-E-L-O-W. Below. Look at the pictures given below. What? W-H-A-T. What? Similar. S-I-M-I-L-A-R. Similar. Features. F-E-A-T-U-R-E-S. Features. Do. D-O. Do. T-H-E. The. K-I-D-S. Kids. I-N. In. T-H-E. The. In the picture. P-I-C-T-U-R. Picture. Pictures. Have. H-A-V-E. Have. W-I-T-H. With. T-H-E-I-R. They. P-A-R-E-N-T-S. Parents. Okay. A. Their hair is similar. T-H-E-I-R. They. H-A-I-R. Hair. I-S is. S-I-M-I-L-A-R. Their hair is similar. B. B picture. Their smile. T-H-E-I-R. They. S-M-I-L-E. Smile. I-S is. Their smile is similar. S-I-M-I-L-A-R. Similar. Okay. Look at the picture given below. What similar features do the kids in the pictures have with their parents? A. Their hair is similar. B. Their smile is similar. Got it, everybody? Next one. True or false? Understanding part, true or false? Keep your fingers, everybody. 8 bit. Some children, S-O-M-E, some, C-H-I-L, chill, D-R-E-N, run, children, some children, may, M-A-Y, may, look, L-O-O-K, look, L-I-K-E, like, may look like, they, T-H-E-I-R, they, G-R-A-N-D, grand, P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents. Some children may look like their grandparents. Answer, true, T-R-U-E, true. 9th one. Uncles, U-N-C-L-E-S, uncles, A-N-D, and aunt, A-U-N-T-S, aunts, R, A-R-E-R, not, N-O-T, not, a part, P-A-R-T, part, O-F, of, a family, F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. False, F-A-L-S-E, false. Uncles and aunts are not a part of our family. Answer is false. Your cousins, Y-O-U-R, your, C-O-U-S-I-N-S, cousins, your cousins, and, A-N-D, and, you, Y-O-U-U, share, S-H-A-R-E, share, T-H-E, the, same, S-A-M-E, same, G-R-A-N-D, grand, P-A-R-E-N-T-S, grandparents. Your cousins and you share the same grandparents. True, T-R-U-E, true. We, W-E-V, C-A-N-N-O-T, cannot, L-O-O-K, look, S-I-M-I-L-A-R, similar. We cannot look similar to our cousins. False, F-A-L-S-E, false. Okay, children, now short answer questions. Whom, W-H-O-M, whom, C-A-N, can, a child, C-H-I-L-D, child, look, L-O-O-K, look, L-I-K-E, like, in a family, look like in a family, I-N, in a family, F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. Okay, whom can a child look like in a family? In a family, I-N, in a family, F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. A child, a C-H-I-L-D, child, C-A-N, can, look, L-O-O-K, look, Similar. S-I-M-I-L-A-R. Similar. T-word. To. H-I-S. His or H-E-R. Her. His or her. Parents. P-A-R-E-N-T-S. Parents. Grandparents. G-R-A-N-D. Grand. P-A-R-E-N-T-S. Grandparents. Uncles. U-N-C-L-E-S. Uncles. A-N-D-N. A-U-N-T-S. Aunts. Okay. In a family, a child can look similar to his or her parents, grandparents, uncles and aunts. Okay. Up till here we learned, no? Now your homework is you have to learn first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Learn. You have to just read. Okay, if I'll ask you, you should be able to write the answers without seeing. Okay, you have to learn this and you have to write the answers in your, you have to learn and write in your homework notebook. What? Not fully. Question and answer. Okay, first, what helps us to say whether people look similar or not? Question. Answer is feature. Enough. Second, from whom do we get our features? All of them. Over. Fill in the blanks. A feature is a look or action of a person. That's all. Next, siblings mostly have similar features. Okay. Next one, jumbling. Fifth and sixth. You have to write question and answer. One word only. You can simply write. Okay. You can see and write down. You have to learn those questions. Okay children, up to 6 questions you have to read and write in your homework now. Okay.